The DaVinci Lock system is unique because it puts the customer in the position to remove the overlock. The system uses the DaVinci Lock, a simple and reliable 4-digit combination lock with an engraved serial code on the back of every lock, as well as the DaVinci Lock software. Here is how the system works. Process starts with the property manager or maintenance man applying the DaVinci Lock to the unit. Additionally, they apply a hang tag that simply informs the tenant that they have been overlocked for non-payment, that they will be able to remove the lock on their own, and that they need to make a call to make their payment and to receive the unlock code. At the time the property manager or maintenance man applies the overlock, they also record the updated status of the lock in the DaVinci Lock software system. They may use a smartphone to enter the serial code into the system and change the lock status from available to assigned, and then they record the unit that the overlock was applied to, press the assign button, and that saves the updated lock status to the system. Later, when the customer arrives at the facility and discovers that they've been overlocked, they will make their call to pay their delinquent balance. They place that call to a call center agent, an off-site property manager, or whoever you may designate to receive that call. When that individual receives the payment call, they will go through whatever their normal course of action is to receive a customer payment and process the delinquent balance. Once payment is made, that individual will switch over to the DaVinci Lock system, receive the serial code from the customer, look up that DaVinci Lock, and the first thing they do is change the lock status to returned by customer and update that in the DaVinci Lock system. They then provide the unlock code to the customer over the phone. The customer then enters the unlock code into the DaVinci Lock and is able to remove the lock on their own. When the customer is leaving the facility, they drop the DaVinci Lock into a drop box, or they may be fined. Periodically through the month, the property manager or maintenance man will retrieve the DaVinci Locks. When they do so, they will update the lock status as either going back into the available pool of locks, or if a lock is missing, then they'll record as lost. They do this through the DaVinci Lock software. Under Reports, they select the facility they are working with, and that will bring up a list of all the locks that should be in the lockbox. They press Available for the ones they find, and if a lock is missing, they press Lost. They then email this report to whoever it is you may have designated. The report will contain all of the information necessary to bill back the customers that failed to return their lock. Specifically, the email will contain the facility number, the serial code, the lock status as lost, and the previous unit the lock was assigned to. The individual can use that information to look that customer up and bill them back for the lost lock. Check back soon. The DaVinci Lock system has an exciting update coming out in the near future, whereby there will be a customer-facing interface called DaVinciLockRelease.com, whereby the customer will be able to log in, pay their delinquent balance, enter the serial code, and receive the unlock code, all without talking to anybody, thereby making the overlock release process fully automated. Thank you for watching.